Want to connect Shopify to Klaviyo in under 5 minutes? Learn the exact steps to sync your store and start sending automated emails today. We'll navigate the integration settings, install the Shopify app, and connect your store URL. Let's walk through it. Start by clicking on Integrations in the lower left corner of your screen. Then go ahead and click on Explore Apps to see what's available. Now select Shopify from the options that appear. Once you're in, click Install to start setting things up. Paste your Shopify store URL. Click Connect to Shopify to finish. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.